Namaste. Let's begin our practice by focusing on three-part breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine, breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale from your belly to your ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice, beginning with shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around. Release, moving into a gentle shoulder stretch. Reach your right arm across your body, using your left arm to gently guide it in, keeping your shoulders down and back. Adding a wrist rotation, bending at the right wrist, make small circles, waking up the energy of your wrist and hand. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your left arm across your body, using your right arm to gently guide it in. Adding a wrist rotation, bending at your left wrist, make small circles, keeping your shoulders down and back. Release and return to center. Place your hands to the seat of your chair. Inhale, lift your heart, gently pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso. With an exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Inhale, hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch, reach your arms overhead. Inhale at the top. Exhale, reach one arm down the leg of your chair and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue alternating right and left, moving at your own pace, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, keeping the weight even in your hips, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Release, moving into hip rotations. With your right hand to your right leg, begin to circle your right leg open, creating more mobility in your right hip. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, moving slowly and gently, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing, adding a twist with your left hand to your right leg. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your right arm back and open to the right, extending towards straight. Exhale to unwind, moving into a gentle hip opener. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip. Inhale, lift your torso to upright. Draw your right knee in towards your chest, lengthening your spine. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, open your arms wide as you continue lifting through your right leg, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release, returning to center, repeating this sequence on the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly as you switch directions. Release, moving into hip rotations. With your left hand to your left leg, begin to circle your left leg open, moving slowly and gently, giving your muscles time to relax into this stretch. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Pausing at center, adding a twist. With your right hand to your left leg, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your left arm back and open to the left, extending towards straight. Exhale to unwind, moving into a gentle hip opener. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward, folding from your hip creases, keeping your spine long, breathing wide into your left outer hip. Inhale, lift your torso to upright. Draw your left knee in towards your chest, lengthening your spine. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, open your arms wide, keeping your chest lifting and your core engaged. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, creating more mobility and flexibility in your joints. Pause and hold with your right leg extended. Point through your toes and flex through your heel, waking up the energy of your foot and ankle. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your hands beneath your left leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Pause and hold with your left leg extended. Point through your toes and flex through your heel as you continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Release and return to center, moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Exhale to unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, lengthen from the base of your spine upward, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Exhale to unwind and return to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Place your awareness gently on your breath, noticing where you feel it in your body. Feel your whole body take a deep breath in, inhaling from your feet to the top of your head, exhaling from the top of your head down through your feet. Allow your breath to be easy and natural now as you consciously relax your body, staying present with the feelings and sensations emerging as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath, adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.